In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your live location in Google Maps. So, it's actually really easy to do. We just need to go and load up the settings on your phone and then scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. You then need to click on Location, Services, and just make sure Location, Services is turned on and enabled like this. You can then come back over to the home screen and we can load up Google Maps. Now, once you've opened up Google Maps, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side and then select Location Sharing. Click on Share Location. And now we have a few settings that we can go and customize. So you can click on the drop-down arrow next to for 1 hour, and you can select how long you want to share your location. If you want to share this indefinitely, you can press until you turn this off. You can then click on More Options, and you can either go and select a contact that you want to share your location with. You can also scroll across the list of applications if you want to share this in a specific app. Now the final option is you can just click on the copy button and then you can go and send this as a link to anyone you want to share your location with. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.